Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Spectrum self-install kit. So once you get the kit, normally it should contain the modem, some coax cables, some way splitters, some power cord, some Ethernet cables, and of course the instructions as well. So what you'll have to do, just take everything out and you will need to connect the Spectrum, as an example, to your modem and to your router. Just connects everything. So you'll have to connect basically the modem or plug the coax cable into the wall wallet, then connect the other end to a modem. Then make sure to tighten it, make sure it's not loose. And of course, then you'll have to go and power on your modem. So you'll have to plug in the modem into the power, wait from 2 to 5 minutes, and look for an online light, and it should be solid. This basically means the internet signal is ready. Normally, once you finish the setup, if you get a solid blue light, that means it will be connecting to the internet. If it's a blinking blue, it will be establishing the internet connection. If it's blinking red, it will be disconnected from the internet. And if it's solid red, you will have a critical failure. And at the moment, you should at least not have the solid red. So of course, we would like, as we said, to connect the router to a modem. First of all, here we have some of the problems that you may get, and of course the fixes as well of it. You can pause the video and see everything here by your own, depending if you on yourself, if you have any issues or not. And then of course you'll have to finish setting it up. You'll have just to connect a router to your modem. So you'll have to position your devices, connect the router and modem via the Ethernet cable, and make sure to power on and wait for the lights to open. Then you'll have to connect your devices. Of course, once you do all of that, go to your phone and you'll have to connect to the Wi-Fi itself. The password, the name should be the same name as it's shown behind the router. And you should find also the SSID and password. So just go and enter that into your phone to connect into the Wi-Fi. Of course, you can connect using your phone or laptop. Both works. So once you finish, you'll have to activate your service. Go and open your browser, go to the Spectrum activation page and follow the instructions. Normally, the internet should start working after activation. So how can you activate your service? Basically, you'll need to follow the instructions or call first of all the Spectrum customer service if you don't know, of course, number if you don't know what to do, and then you will have to follow the instructions given by the agent. You will have to choose some area and state when asked, and you'll have to note down the activation code given by the agent. Once you finish all of that, the internet should start working after the activation, and then you can test your internet by opening any website, check the speed, make sure the connection is stable, and you should see a solid blue light on your kit. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.